Hello everyone, for this video, we will make buffalo sauce for chicken. Before we start cooking, prepare the following. In a pan, melt butter. After, add some chili sauce of your choice. Then add a bit of Worcestershire sauce. Stir it constantly. When it is already mixed together, add the chicken and stir it so that the chicken will be covered with the sauce. This is optional, but you can add sesame seeds to the chicken. Before we end this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos and easy recipes. Tada! Chicken in buffalo sauce is ready. Serve it and enjoy!